So here I am on the 50X from Poole to Swanage. ETO to Swanage bus station should be hopefully around 5:02, but as we're running a bit late, it most likely to be 5:05 or 5:10. So frequency for the 50X from Studland and Swanage, they run non-stop. As you can see now, we're about to approach Swanage. So this evening I'm on 1704 HJ16 HSZ. So this evening is my Bonfire night special of my YouTube channel, so like and subscribe to that. Right, so this bus runs non-stop to Swanage. Journey time from the journey time from Swanage to Poole on the 50X takes about roughly 30 minutes. Bus stopping at the Swanage school. Next stop, the Swanage school. Oh, it says it now. Please remain seated until the bus is stopped. Why are we not moving? Oh, now we are. Oh! Wow. Next stop, Hurston Cross. Come on, turn green. Yes, come on, go onto High Street, Look. Yes! We're going on High Street. We're coming back into Swanage. Wait, what are you doing? Oh my, what's that? It's even holding up the queue as well. This stop is Hurston Cross. Oh. Come on. Oh, he's letting us go. He's letting us go. This stop is Hurston Cross. Next stop, Cecil Road.